gentlemen, welcome to the United Kingdom. The local time here in England is 3 minutes past 10 in the morning. We shall shortly be arriving at our parking stand at Terminal 5 here at London's Heathrow Airport. Please remain seated, leaving all items of hand luggage safely stowed until the aircraft has stopped at the terminal and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it's safe to do so, please do be careful when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved during landing and could possibly fall out and injure yourself or a fellow passenger. When leaving the aircraft today, please make sure that you have all of your personal items and hand luggage with you. We are pleased to announce that you may now make and receive telephone calls and use all data services on your handheld portable electronic devices. For those of you leaving us here in London today, please follow the signs in the terminal for baggage reclaim and immigration. The flight number you're looking for in the baggage hall is the BA282. For those passengers with onward connecting flights here from London's Heathrow Airport, please follow the purple signs in the terminal marked Flight Connections. If you have any need of further assistance here in London, please don't hesitate to contact any member of the British Airways ground staff. Alternatively, you can contact any one of our One World Alliance partner airlines. We'd also like to advise our passengers that smoking remains prohibited until you have reached a designated smoking area outside of the terminal building. For those of you coming to the United Kingdom, either on business or pleasure, you hope you have a very successful and enjoyable stay. And for those of you returning, welcome home. On behalf of Captain White and the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing British Airways for your flight from Los Angeles. It certainly has been our pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again in the very near future on another British Airways service. Wherever further travel plans take you today, we hope you have a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you, and a very good morning.